Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is your man Johnson Money Maker. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money online. And many people are asking me, is it a legit way of making money? And I can say it is a legit way of making money. So we are going to talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, many people are making more money using these affiliate programs. So today, subscribe to this channel and we are going to start teaching you on how you can make money online. So log on to this website known as Digistore. Digistore is an affiliate market where you can sell digital products and get a commission if a buyer buys on you. So sign up in this digital store. It is known as Digital 24. Sign up. Then you fill all those steps on this Digital 24. Then after filling all steps, you can log in to this affiliate program. So when you log in using the link in the description here, you get 60% commission. But when you just log on direct, just get 30% discount on this digital. So make sure you log in using this link that I put it into the description inside here. So let's get started. Now I've opened this Digistore, and as you can see, it is logging in and it has also logged in, as you can see. Now on this Digistore, make sure you go to a place known as Marketplace. Okay, click on the Marketplace, click on all offers, then wait for it to load. Then we have tons of products in which you can pick, ranging from animal and pets, and also betting systems, down to computer and sciences, health, down the line. So you can pick any niche that you want to promote on it. Let's scroll down and see different types of products that are being sold here on Digistore. As you can see down here, you're scrolling down, see for yourself here. You can choose any product that you can sell online, then you get a commission, a good amount of commission. We have here tube mastery and monetization. For our case, let's choose a home doctor. The earnings are around 24. So let's promote this product and see how I'm going to do. You click on promote now, and then there will pop up a promo link. So that promo link is where you highlight it and then you copy it to maybe a notepad or any place where you cannot forget your promo link. So the next thing that you need to do is to view a page of the sales page, so that you can have more and abundant information about the product that you want to sell. So if you have enough information about that product, you can make a blog on it, or you can put it into a description in which people can read it and then understand the product that they are going to buy. They have a full information about the product. So let's do this. This is a sales page why you should put your garlic in your ear before you go to sleep. So this is a sales page. So when we collect this information, we know very well that the product that we are selling, we have a total information about it. So we are confident to make sure that a customer who buys these products have a full information about the product that they are going to buy. The next place where we are going to is Quora. Quora is a place where people share information, share knowledges, and most of people promote their products in Quora because Quora has got a lot of traffic where people search things, search information. So let us log into Quora and see how I'm going to promote this product in Quora.